Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to talk about bacon and tempeh bacon. Basically this whole conversation started this morning. Today's Sunday. I don't usually do a video demo on Sundays, but today my sister who's filming me had a great idea because we were snacking on some tempeh bacon. And she said, well, how about we do a video on how you make tempeh bacon, because she didn't know how to make it and I had just whipped it up. And because people are evidently having a hard time finding regular bacon in the grocery store right now. I didn't really know this, but apparently there's maybe a little bit of a bacon shortage out there currently. So is not a better time than now to get some plant-based protein and try tempeh as bacon. So this is a package of Light Life tempeh. There are many other types, but this is what you're likely to find in your local grocery store. Tempeh is made from a fermented bean. It's like a bean cake. And in this case, it's soybeans. And I'll open it up here and make some slices with it. But you can actually make tempeh from black beans or other types of beans. This is the original form, the soy cake, and it has kind of a fungus, and that doesn't sound very appetizing, I guess, except for when you think of mushrooms and how healthy they are. Well, that's part of the property that makes tempeh so healthy. So think fermented foods like sauerkraut and kombucha and things like that. Tempeh, whole fermented, minimally processed soy. You can even see the beans still right in it. And when I start cutting it, for this particular dish, I like to cut it a little bit on the bias, diagonally, lengthwise, so that it almost resembles a bacon strip in a way. If you're not going for that, you don't care if it looks like bacon, you just want it to fit on your BLT, just cut it in smaller pieces. That's what we actually did this morning. They were just sliced this way. And then we're going to whip up a really easy marinade. As with many things, the longer you marinate, the better it's going to absorb the flavor. Soy is famous for absorbing the flavor of whatever you put it in. And so tempeh, because it's sort of like tofu in a way, but different, is going to do the same thing. So, once again, the links for the recipes, and I'm going to give you a couple of different recipes this week. We're going to do what I call fakin' bacon with the tempeh. And then we've got a maple orange glazed, kind of an Asian flavor with ginger tempeh. And also I make bacon bits out of coconut, out of unsweetened coconut. So it's kind of good and crunchy and goes great on a salad. I know it ain't bacon, but it's still yummy. It's good for you. It's actually maybe better for you, but we won't get into that. So we're gonna put our tempeh slices into a pan that will hold the marinade and also allow the tempeh not to have to be smaller pieces, unless you don't care and you don't mind if it's, but it kind of looks more like bacon when it's like this. And I'm going to use my handy dandy mason jar once again. This is a double batch of the recipe that I'm going to give you for this. I just like to make extra and use it, and then I keep some for next time. So we've got 6 tablespoons of tamari. You could use soy sauce. I like to use tamari because it's gluten-free. Tempeh, in most cases, is also gluten-free. So this is an organic, low-sodium tamari. We're also going to use 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and I like to use the Bragg's organic, and that also has some health properties. So that's good to use. Apple cider vinegar, good for everything. We've got 2 tablespoons of organic maple syrup. You could use brown sugar, or if you don't want sugar or sweetener of any kind, just leave it out. A tiny bit of liquid smoke. And then we've got a mixture here of onion, garlic powders, cumin, and smoked paprika. Get it all in there. And that's all there is to it. Just give it a good shake and pour it over your tempeh. and then I have some for next time. So we're going to give it an hour or so to marinate, and then we're going to cook it off, and we'll show you what it looks like cooked. So it couldn't be really any easier. Tons of health benefits, no cholesterol, not a class 1 carcinogen like bacon is, and I know we all love bacon, so we don't eat it every day. That's fine. This is a really nice way to get some plant-based protein into your day. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so we've cooked off our tempeh bacon, or faking bacon. Oh, the other thing I wanted to say is you can actually buy smoky tempeh already in the marinade, and then it's already sliced. All you have to do is cook it off. That's fine too. I've done it in a cast iron skillet. You could bake it in the oven, and if you're following a no oil plan, baking it would be the way to go unless you have a really good non-stick skillet. Okay, then you wouldn't have to use any oil at all, and you could just do it on some parchment paper or on a silicone mat. All right, so here is our faking bacon, tempeh with a smoky marinade. Isn't that pretty? It's pretty yummy. I've also, in this case, put a little cumin seed just because I like that crunch from the cumin seed when I'm eating the bacon. Try it on a BLT or have it with your Sunday brunch. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.